fellow public servants, members of the Iloilo media, ladies and gentlemen, mayagid nga adlaw. Una sa tanan, pasalamat gid ako sa panibag-ong oportunidad nga nabukas sa sining adlaw. Ang makapadayon kita sa natawag na serbisyo publiko. A new door has been opened for me, yet the mission and vision of why I have always been here remains the same. And so as I begin to take this first step, I want to say, to God be the greatest glory. Truly, this is a humbling moment as I joined the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Historic really in many ways for me, and in a bigger sense, this august body with the honor bestowed to former attorney, board member, Attorney Nochete, Carmelo Nochete, and now Regional Director Nochete of the Department of Social Welfare and Development, Regional Office 6. I am very honored and humbled na kaigid nga salamat sa Partido Lakas CMD. May I further take this opportunity to thank the recommendation and trust of 1st District Congresswoman Doc Nanay Janet Loreto Garin, Vice Governor Christine Tinting Garin, Honorable Mayor Richard Garin, and the Garin family. Hanggod gid ang akon pagpasalamat sa pagkilala, pagsalig, kagkumpiyansa na dakanakan hindi mabaydan sa anuman. Gani may salute and admiration to them. I thank them, my mentors, for the full trust and confidence. With them, I mark more than 20 years of public service. Masubra duwa katigada nga serbisyo publiko nga panghimanwa sa Primer Distrito tubtub sa kabilugan sa probinsya sang Iloilo. Years that have honed me in my discovered passion to serve and be of service. Following my stint as Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman, kag naging Sangguniang Kabataan Municipal Federation President man ako, at the same time naging ex-officio member kang Banwa kang Gimbal. Years that have molded my sad desire to serve and be of service in and out of government. I would like to share with you ang akong experience way back 2007 when Mayor Richard Garin was the board member kag nanging Vice Governor diri sa probinsya sang Iloilo. Every time I entered this session hall, I was just sitting there. Puko-puko lang ako kalmamatik-matik. But now, magasilid ako dyan sa session hall na may designated seat na ako. Then may chance na makapagtisipar, no? Kag makadeliberate sa pari-pareho ko ang mga board members. And so, as I entered this session hall today, I did with so overwhelming pride and strengthened resolve to wholeheartedly accept the duties, responsibilities, and challenges being the newest member of the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan. I am ready to embrace this and do my part in ensuring that matters from the barangay, municipal, and provincial levels needing legislative action will be duly attended. I come with the realization on how important to hear out plans and programs for the people. And so while I am here for each and every family in the 1st District of Iloilo, I am also here as part of this whole august body to ensure that voices are heard, policies as issued are realized, and decisions in both the executive and legislative are cohesive and inclusive. Today of all other days that I step foot in the capital is most different. Today comes with a determination to be part of this august body, mindful to the joint pursuit for equality in the delivery of the basics in government services, peace, justice, and inclusive progress for Iloilo. And may I add, I also come today with my heart full of joy and pride that I share with everyone who have always believed in the Ilonggo can-do spirit. I stand before you today mindful and appreciative of the plans, projects, and programs of the Iloilo Provincial Government. Rako or hanggang man ang ating pagsalig sa naplastar ng plano na diwan ng programa kag proyekto kag direksyon kang administrasyon ni Governor Arthur Tutu Defensor Jr. Kasubungan nga kumpiyansa kag pagsalig sa pagpanguna ni Vice Governor Christine Tingtinggarin imaw sa tanan diri sa Sangguniang. Pagsalig kag kumpiyansa ngayari kita tanan nga ang kasubong handom amo ang karaydan kang probinsya kang Iloilo. Ako ni padayon ang matutuod nga serbisyo publiko kag responsable nga sahig nga panggobyerno tugtog sa akon masarangan and with the guidance of Almighty Father bilang board member sa Pebrero Distrito. Gani ang opisina natin kang board members, imaw kay board member Bal, kag ang opisina ni Kong Janet Garin. We will work hand in hand, we will collaborate, para nga mapalapit pagid ang serbisyo sa pumuluyo, kag mapadali pagid ang mga programa, projects, mga plano para maimplementar para sa kaayuhan sa Pebrero Distrito. Upod sa akon pamilya, kita nagpasalamat sa kaigayunan na mangin kabahin sa sining Sangguniang Panlalawigan. I am most humble, and with that humility is my commitment to ensure that I be worthy of the trust and confidence. I am a daughter, a sister, a mother of 3, and an OFW wife, and a public servant, and I am ready to serve. Kapamagabay ako sa inyo pagsalig kag pag-intindi as I carefully take the steps as board member, completing the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan. What an honor, privilege, and blessing to be of service in this way. Nakaig nga salamat, and to God be the greatest glory.